Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the cylinder so you control the gas. Safety is the priority. Turn off appliances and shut the main cylinder valve fully. You should feel a firm stop. Once done, relieve trapped pressure by opening the regulator bleed screw or an appliance knob until flow stops. This avoids pressure surprises. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and wear gloves. The why: eliminating residual pressure prevents leaks when you disconnect fittings and keeps ignition sources safe. Now focus on the regulator connection. Inspect the hose and fittings for cuts or rust because damaged parts cause leaks. Use the correct wrench, hold the regulator body to prevent twisting the hose, and loosen the connection slowly. You want controlled separation rather than a sudden pop. Once the fitting is free, move the regulator clear and immediately cap the cylinder outlet or fit a protective plug to stop contamination. Make sure to keep the removed regulator upright and away from heat. Finish by lifting the cylinder straight up. Tilt it gently to clear fittings and avoid banging the valve. Once removed, transport and store the cylinder upright in a shaded, ventilated spot and secure it so it cannot tip. This prevents regulator damage and leaks. If your nose detects gas at any time, move everyone away, ventilate from a safe distance, and call emergency services. Do not use electrical switches. A common troubleshooting tip: small persistent odor often means a loose connection. Red-itin or replace fittings only after pressure is relieved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.